Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, April 21st, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner at the end of the video, and take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com, and watch the video on the homepage to learn more about my benefits. So, anyways, the US dollar yen made another really strong push down. Really, all the dollar pairs made a pretty strong push, and they were all in the direction of the higher time frame move. This is why I've been so adamant about trading with the trend, because the US dollar index is in a wave three, and all the dollar pairs are in a wave three, and wave three is just what's supposed to be the biggest, strongest wave of a trend. Now, I've been saying this for a while, but my target for this is probably at least the 128, maybe even all the way down to like the 125 area. So I'm very, very, very bearish right now. I think we are in a wave three of wave C. I personally would not recommend going long whatsoever. Even if it does start a move up, I would definitely not take it as a long because I would be highly, highly focused on getting short at the end of every single pullback I see, especially if it's some sort of a three-wave ABC pullback, because wave three is supposed to be the biggest, strongest wave of a trend, and I think it's very clear that all the US dollar pairs are in a wave three right now. So definitely, definitely trading with the trend because the trend is your friend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.